Hello friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
Brad Nailer Kit.
Number 5.
Brad Nailer Kit DeWalt Finish Nailer Kit, 18G. Long life maintenance free motor to keep from staining the work surface. Tool-free depth of drive adjustment with detents for proper setting of nail heads. Tool-free jam release mechanism for easy nail removal. Rear exhaust to keep contaminants away from work. Drives 18-gauge nails from 5/8 to 2 length. Power source, pneumatic. Power tool type, pneumatic.
Number 4.
When 61,720 and 3/4 inch to 2 inch. Fire brads from 3/4 to 2 inches in length. Operate at 60 to 100 C with a 1/4 inch NPT air inlet fitting. Lightweight aluminum body weighs in at 3 pounds with rubber grip handle for maximum comfort. Hold up to 100 brads in the magazine with a quick release to make jam clearing a breeze. Includes oil, 2 adjustment wrenches and a custom carrying case.
Number 3.
Hitachi NT50AE2 18-gauge 5/8 inch. Selective actuation allows the user to select bulk fire or contact fire modes with the simple flip of a switch. At only 2.2 pounds, this finish nailer is lightweight and well balanced, making it easy to use all day long. Elastomer grip adds comfort and prevents slippage. Tool-less, easy to clear nose for quick and simple nail extraction should a nail jam during use. Depth of drive dial allows the user to easily adjust the drive depth for a professional finish.
Number 2.
Porter Cable BN200C 2-inch 18G Brad Nailer Kit. The product is 18G2 Brad Nailer Kit. The product is manufactured in China. Long life maintenance free motor to keep from staining the work surface. Tool-free depth of drive adjustment with detents for proper setting of nail heads. Tool-free jam release mechanism for easy nail removal.
Number 1.
Powered 18-gauge air brad nailer with 15 PC starter kit. Ideal for inflating tires and inflatable sporting goods, blowing dust off surfaces and thread sealing tape. Lightweight and well balanced, making it easy to use for extended periods. Tool-free jam release mechanism for easy nail removal. Reload indicator for easy visual recognition of low nail quantities, to avoid dry firing. Operating pressure, 70-110 C. Nails length, 3/8 inch to 2 inch.